Today we're going to learn how to add video to your email campaigns to supercharge your click-through metrics. Here's the details.
Awesome! Let me show you now how to add an autoplay video into your ActiveCampaign. In your Playable account, go to Videos, then select a video that we want to embed into our ActiveCampaign email. On the left panel, let's click on the Embed tab. And from the drop-down menu, let's select ActiveCampaign. Once done, hit the Copy to Clipboard button, and we can switch over to ActiveCampaign. In ActiveCampaign, let's click the Campaigns button, and then click the Create a Campaign button on the top right. Let's just choose the standard campaign type and type in our campaign name. Hit Enter or click Next. Select a list. Click Next. And now we're ready to select our email template. So I'm just here in the basic templates. I'm going to choose the Happy Birthday template, put in email subject, continue. Now that our template is ready, we want to add an HTML block into our email template. So on the right panel under blocks, let's drag an HTML block into the email body just like this, and you can insert it anywhere you'd like the video to appear on your email. So I'm just going to put it right here below the logo so my video shows up right on the top of the email. Now we can paste our Playable embed code. Press Ctrl or Command V or right click and paste. Hit Save. And let's find out. Now there's your autoplay video in your ActiveCampaign email. Make sure to complete your template and fire away.
Well, that was easy. Remember, adding video to your email campaigns also increases the reach of your video to include your best audience, your email list. To stay updated with all the news and tips about video email, please subscribe and we'll see you next time.